Recognized.
Of course, I support such a worthy amendment. I do have a legislative query. This amendment would technically apply to the classrooms built under the acceleration program. So paano yung ibang classrooms na hindi kasama dito? And you cannot apply it to them because this is a very specific bill. So I don't know how to resolve that, because it's a great amendment, but I'm not sure if this is the proper place. And I do know that there is a policy, if I'm not mistaken, a United Nations policy that makes school zones of peace, no? So yun lang. And maybe we can ask
Well,
the experts.
The way it sounds, it's forward-looking.
Yun nga po. So what happens? So parang na-exclude mo yung mga existing schools. So doon sila pupunta, doon sila gegera. Kasi the idea behind this concept is that you cannot conduct acts of violence there. Like, children are safe there. And perhaps the proponent can expound if he'd like. And we want that to be the case for all schools, not just for the schools that will be covered in this bill, Mr. President.
Yeah, Mr. President, may I make
Yes, Senator Aquino.
a suggestion? Maybe, Mr. President, instead of classrooms built under this act, we can say all classrooms shall be considered as zones of peace.
But then let's also ask the expert, because that may no longer be germane to the subject matter, because this is forward looking on the constructions of new classrooms. I don't know if you can insert a provision that applies. So I don't know. Even though I'm a lawyer, I would like to get the expert opinion on this. Kasi we love the proposal, but we want to do it properly, Mr. President.
Ginoong Pangulo, opo, maaari po bang makapaglahad lang?
Sige po, Senator Padilla.
Ito pong amendment na ito ay nabuo sapagkat marami pong